Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install DataSpell on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon Mac. If you're working with data science, machine learning, or Jupyter notebooks, DataSpell is one of the best integrated development environments, IDEs, for data analysis. Developed by JetBrains, it provides intelligent code assistance, built-in Jupyter support, and seamless integration with data science tools like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can also use Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. In the search bar, type Download DataSpell and hit Enter. Look for the official JetBrains website in the search results and click on it. I'll also leave the link in the video description. Once you're on the DataSpell download page, select your Mac type, either Intel or Apple Silicon, and click the Download button. Save the installer file to your Downloads folder. The download time will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click on it. A new window will pop up. Drag and drop the DataSpell app icon into the Applications folder. This will copy DataSpell to your Applications folder. Once that's done, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash to free up space. Now, open Finder, go to the Applications folder, and locate DataSpell. Double-click to open it. If you see a pop-up that says DataSpell is an app downloaded from the internet, are you sure you want to open it? Simply click Open to proceed. After launching DataSpell for the first time, you'll need to accept the user agreement. Click Continue to proceed. If you have a subscription or license key, click Activate and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to use DataSpell's free version. That's it. You've successfully installed DataSpell on your Mac. Now you're ready to start exploring data, writing Jupyter notebooks, and running Python scripts with ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.